Hello, hi. Welcome to RNC Autoelectrics channel again. Alright, so RNC Autoelectrics channel always showing special things about faults, fault finding and everything. So today I'm going to show you a vehicle that made in Australia, which is Holdencommodore VF utility vehicle, Ute. Alright, this Holdencommodore, this is a last generation of the Holdencommodore VF. And they started build 2013 to 2017, so this car is 2015 car, and so this is a V6 engine, direct injection petrol, and a 210 kilowatt engine unit. All right, so this is a special Ford that can be done under $300 repair, and it's a DIY job. So I want to show you Australian VF Commodore owners. Have a look this video. You might get this fault in future. Don't spend $1,000 for this fault, because we already spent more hours to find the fault anyway. So in my next video I will show you how to find this one. Okay, Commodore V6 engine is running. Have a look, key on, engine is running, going up. So while driving, no problem at all, no warning lights, nothing. Yeah, so I scan it and no fault found. But anyway, I'll show you what is the problem looks like. When you turn it off, the ignition switch, look at that, accessory now. You can hear engine is running, but you can't see the cluster works, so it's off, no RPM. Turn off, get the key, you can hear engine running. So as we suspect straight away, so we suspected somehow maybe here ignition switch fault. This could be a common issue in any cars, we never know. So the key out, so it's still engine is running. See, it could be a common issue for any cars. So stuck the ignition switch somewhere here. So what I done, straight away I take these panels off, I check the power supply which is behind the ignition switch. When the car is off, any power get into the ignition or accessory. So as you can see, no radio turns on, so I know that means no accessory. Anyhow, accessory and ignition power supply go into the ECU and car still being running. So I check it, no fault found, no fault found. So what my customer did it, so to stop the vehicle, it's a simple thing. Open the bonnet, have a look this, engine bay, fuse and relay location. Read about this one, and which is number 25 relay. Number 25 relay is the ECM relay. So he pulled this relay out, this one. As soon as you take this one out, so engine is stopped. So we thought the relay is bugged. Maybe internally this relay is not working. So what I did, just a quick swap over another relay and try it. It happened same thing. So it's not the relay. So as you know, this junction box, which is a relay and fuses here, which has an internal circuit board. So I scanned it, couldn't find any fault. No fault found related to the engine ECU or anything, body control, anything else. Immobilizer, no fault found. But now, as you can see, key out, and then now engine light staying on, but still So why the engine light is turned on, we cut the power. So that fault code trigger to the system, then we can read it after that. So what sort of fault code, because we made the fault code. All right, here. And what I did, so if anyone thinks the problem, the fault inside this junction box, which is relay and the fuse junction box, so the fault is not in there. So I will test it out. Okay, then the another step was test the ECU, engine ECU. So I already tested that ECU out, so no, there wasn't any fault related to this engine running. Okay, so short and sweet, I will show you where was the problem is. Okay, let's go. Which is on the passenger side, behind the passenger seat. And here there's another fuse and relay box. See? So problem was in here, believe it or not. So this relay, this green color relay is called logistic relay up here. So this relay runs the vehicle radio infotainment system, and also the parking assist, and also the blind spot monitoring, run by this relay. Internally short circuit in this relay box. That's what I found. While the engine running, when the key out, I took it out, the engine stopped. So I knew, then I pulled this part out. Inside, I checked the relay box. Let's see. This is, see, and here, salt damage. See? So this is the fault. Short and sweet. Very easy to swap it out. This one. So what I did, I ordered another second-hand unit and put back in. Here. Only 4 plugs. One there, one there, one there, one there. That's it. And one not there. So easy to take it out. Okay, now is car running perfect. Okay, we have Holdencommodore owners. Okay, if you have similar type of issue, when the key is out, engine still runs. So what you have to do, easy way, rear passenger side fuse and relay box, swap it out, which takes only less than 15 minutes. All right, please like and comment and subscribe my channel, and see you in another video very soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.